Reduce, replace, redesign. The unique methodology which has been the foundation of the Zero Carbon Resorts Project. In 2010, the Zero Carbon Resorts Project pilots a pool of 23 tourism establishments as Frontier Group in Palawan, Philippines, including Puerto Princesa, El Nido, Coron, and Port Barton. The goal is to test the ZCR's project concept as a driver towards sustainable consumption and production in the tourism sector. With direct consulting and one-on-one interactions with the Frontier Group members, remarkable achievements were realized, enabling the successful dissemination to major touristic areas all over the Philippines and Thailand using their success stories. Reduce. An important part of the reduced phase is capacity building for consultants, engineers, architects, and other technical professionals from different regions of the Philippines and from Thailand. They were trained along with the Frontier Group members, combining theoretical knowledge with practical on-site experience. Lectures and excursions made sure that the local experts received up-to-date knowledge and were exposed to European best practice technologies. Reduce means that resorts and hotels can save energy and resource costs through a range of improvement measures with minimal or no investment costs. It starts with measuring of energy and resource consumption in different service areas like cooling, water heating, cooking, lighting, etc., so that hotels and resorts understand and monitor clearly which energy services can be improved. Corresponding low-cost measures for improvement are housekeeping and good maintenance, sealing of gaps on doors and windows for air-conditioned spaces, coloring the roof white for better reflection, adjusting the temperature setting for air conditioning, waste segregation, and many more. This phase of inexpensive improvements has led to sustainable savings, which are then reinvested in the next phases. Replace. The replace phase moves on to replacing outdated technologies with more efficient, environmentally friendly solutions. Some popular implementations from this phase are centralized switch controls, solar thermal and solar PV panel installations, inverter aircons, LED lights, rainwater collection, and low-flow faucets and shower heads. The ZCR project built a green suppliers network with suppliers of efficient technologies and environmentally friendly products. At the same time, appropriate technology solutions were introduced for local manufacturing or even for DIY. This includes improved cooking stoves such as the rocket stove for cooking with biomass fuel, a rice husk gasifier, a biogas digester which enables cooking from waste, and a self-made solar collector with hot water storage. Redesign. In the redesign phase, we demonstrated how to design and build a literally carbon-neutral and energy self-sufficient resort, and furthermore, how to move closer towards that goal even with existing buildings. The ZCR project has constructed a large-as-life showcase cottage with standalone energy and water supply system. The cottage has been specifically designed to meet modern comfort demands with the least possible environmental and carbon footprint. It combines vernacular design elements and indigenous materials with contemporary design and state-of-the-art research results. It is made from bamboo and other renewable materials. The award-winning building serves as a learning center and is located in Palawan. With the reduce, replace, and redesign phases combined, The ZCR project has successfully contributed to avoiding almost 26,000 tons of carbon emissions annually and a total savings of almost 506 million pesos per year. 870 hotels and resorts in the Philippines and 300 in Thailand benefited from the ZCR project interventions, and the community is still growing. In an attempt to standardize the methodology and mainstream the beneficial achievements, a National Sustainable Tourism Certificate has been developed, tested, and implemented in the Philippines. The Philippines Department of Tourism has been a strong supporter in the successful dissemination of the project and in the development of the certification called ANAHAO. The ANAHAO certification is a national green labeling program for tourism establishments. It is based on ZCR's working experience with country-specific reference cases of more than 800 hotels and resorts. The certification aims to encourage procurement of eco-friendly products, technologies, and services. It is a tool for creating climate-smart lodging industry and tourism services that offer better value and a sustainable business. Since its launch, ANAHAO has accepted numerous applications, trained a growing number of auditors and consultants, and carried out validation and final evaluation. After validation and final evaluation, the ANAHAO certification shall award the newly certified hotels and resorts that have committed to contributing to a more sustainable tourism industry, a more sustainable future. GRAT, Center for Appropriate Technology and Implementing Partners, Palawan Council for Sustainable Development, Greenleaf Foundation, Healthy Public Policy Foundation, and Plataforma Solar de Almeria would like to thank all the stakeholders and beneficiaries, especially from the tourism sector, the Department of Tourism, academe, associate partners, local government units, private sectors, professionals, and other non-government agencies for your active participation and contribution.